Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Wizard. In this simple and quick video, I will show you how to use the curve tool in PicsArt. So open your PicsArt application right away. So for this procedure, I need to select an image where I'm going to apply the curves tool. So to apply the curve tool, I'll just scroll down, then I'll look for the perfect image. So I think I'll choose this. Okay, so I've chosen this image. Okay, so after choosing it, tap on tools here, then tap on tools, you see curves. Okay, so select curves. Now when you adjust the curves to the right or to the right left corner, okay, you can see the change. Then when you also adjust it to the bottom right corner, you can see the change. Okay, so that's the change. If you want it like this, then you can change it to that side. Okay, then you can easily see the change. Okay, so if you're done editing your video, or if you're done applying the curve, just tap on that tick, then tap here to save. Okay, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Until next time.